You are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we bring you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Tuesday, November 17, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the equities market maintained downtrend as trading activities closed on a negative note as NSE-ASI depreciated by 1.53% for the day as investors lost 277.59 billion naira. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at 27.57%. The all-share index closed at 34,242.83 basis points with a market capitalization of 17.89 trillion naira in 8,712 deals. The market closed with 17 gainers to 30 losers. The top gainers for equity were Buck Gases, GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Nigeria, and Cornwell, while the top losers were Oando, Wapik, and Portland Paint and Products Nigeria. UACN Property Development Company, Jais Bank, and Transnational Corporation of Nigeria were the top players in terms of trade volumes and most active to boost market turnover. The FMDQ Group debt market size closed at 25.61 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate advanced by 0.12% to close at 386 naira 6 kobo, while the INE-FX rate advanced by 0.22% to open at 386 naira 33 kobo, and declined by 0.31% to close at 384 naira 80 kobo to a dollar. For the NASD OTC exchange, the NSI and market capitalization appreciated by 0.91% to close at 735.99 basis points and 547.6 billion respectively. The change in volume traded declined to close at 403,930, while the value traded closed at 5.85 million in 2 deals executed for the day. You can also check for global, commodity, currency, and other indices on the economic dashboard displayed on your screen. For the market highlights from yesterday, at the privatization in Nigeria and the outlook for subnational economic development webinar, the CEO of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, Mr. Oscar Onyema, encouraged the state governments to take full advantage of the opportunities and the deep pool of capital inherent in the Nigerian capital market to meet their economic development objectives. Professor Doyin Salami, the chairman of the Presidential Economic Advisory Council, in his presentation, said Nigeria is capital deficient and the government needs a strong reliance on the private sector to spur meaningful progress. He added that Nigeria needs to generate over 90 million jobs, which cannot be achieved with the current government revenue profile, which stands at about 10%. For the market activity to watch today, FMDQ is having its Debt Capital Market Development Project 2025 webinar themed Short-Term Financing Option in the Nigerian Debt Market, Commercial Papers by 11 a.m. Also, Sisman Associates is having its second capital market webinar to discuss the recovery and deepening of the Nigerian capital market. And that brings us to the end of this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more market updates. Do connect with us on our social media platforms showing on your screen. Until we come your way again, thank you for watching.